Every workday, you wake up early, grit your teeth, then head to a job you don't like. Maybe it's dull, or maybe your boss is a jerk, or maybe you just don't want to spend so much time in an office. And the money? It's okay, but you can't imagine ever making enough to retire by 40, put your kids through college, or move to a nicer zip code. Hi, I'm John James, and until I created my online business, Vitalife, 15 years ago, my life was a lot like yours. Today, I work when I want, I live in the home of my dreams, and I even own a nice yacht and a fancy sports car. Since that first business, I've also gone on to create 12 more multi-million-dollar businesses. What I've discovered in the process is that there's a ton of easy money to be made on the internet if you know what you're doing. That's why I've created the Easy Entrepreneur Masterclass. In it, I teach everything I've learned over the years about starting a hugely successful online business, so you can hit a home run right out of the gate, rather than striking out like most wannabe entrepreneurs. For instance, you'll learn my top secret strategies for uncovering super profitable online niches and popular products to sell. Even better, once you've come up with your business idea, I'll teach you a method for determining whether it's a winner before you invest time and money into it. I'll also teach you how to create high-quality digital products cheaply and quickly, so you can avoid all the usual hassles entrepreneurs face when they're sourcing products. Plus, you'll learn a foolproof method for marketing your product online, so you'll easily find plenty of qualified buyers who want what you're selling. That's just a small fraction of what you'll learn in my course. It covers so much more. It's 15+ years of real-world experience boiled down into one super comprehensive entrepreneur course that'll guide you step by step to the financial freedom you're dreaming of. Don't continue to suffer at a job you don't like for a paycheck that's never going to make you rich. Head to www.easyentrepreneur.com right now to learn how you can build a very successful online business without spending a lot of time or money.